Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Mini Cooper S door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, such as T30 Torx drivers and a trim removal tool, to prevent damage. Begin by gently prying off the tweeter door handle surround. Use a small flathead screwdriver for this step. Next, carefully remove the reflector, as it conceals an important Torx screw that needs to be accessed. Take your time to avoid scratching any surfaces. Now, proceed to unscrew the T30 Torx screws located in the reflector hole and around the door bezel. Some models may have a hidden screw under the grab rail bolster. After that, disconnect the electrical connector for the door light, usually found at the bottom of the panel. Finally, use a trim tool to gently pry out the mirror switch, then disconnect its electrical connections to free it from the panel. With the screws removed, it's time to release the door panel itself. Use a trim removal tool to carefully pop out all the push pins along the outer edge of the door panel. Once the clips are loose, gently pull the entire door panel away from the door frame. Be mindful of any remaining electrical connections, such as those for speakers or other components, and disconnect them before fully removing the panel. For the final step, carefully unhook the inside door handle directly from the lock mechanism and free its cable harness. Remember to keep all your removed screws, clips, and other parts organized in a container to ensure a smooth reinstallation process. Reversing these steps will allow you to put your door panel back on securely. For more great deals and the link to grab your little tree's black ice, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.